My name is Wanda, and I work at OrthoPro, and I enjoy the business. I've worked for OrthoPro for 19 years. I enjoy helping the people, assisting people, and I also have grandchildren and enjoy time with them. I come back to OrthoPro because it's the fun atmosphere here and taking care of the patients and seeing how they meet their goals and how well they do. I enjoy the work atmosphere here because it's quite a bit of fun working with the girls, and Mike and Stacy. We are enjoying time together and meeting the needs of the patients. I love working at OrthoPro, seeing our patients, and look forward to seeing you soon.